Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a Microsoft 365 account hosted on Exchange Online and the Teams desktop client plus Outlook. Sign into both apps using the same work or school account so they share the same mailbox and calendar. Once signed in, make sure automatic updates are allowed so the Teams meeting add-in can register. This step ties identity and mailbox together, without the same account and Exchange backend. Automatic syncing of the Outlook calendar into Teams won't occur. Next, enable the Teams meeting add-in inside Outlook so you can create Teams meetings and surface calendar items. In practice, sign out and then sign into Teams first, then reopen Outlook. That sequence forces the add-in to register. If the add-in still doesn't appear, check Outlook COM add-ins and enable the Teams meeting add-in. Make sure your mailbox is on Exchange Online and that client policies from your admin don't block the add-in, because those policy settings control the integration behavior. Finally, create a Teams meeting from Outlook with the Add Teams Meeting button, and you'll see that event in the Teams calendar within minutes. Once done, edits you make in either Outlook or Teams propagate because both clients read and write to the same Exchange mailbox. Make sure to restart both apps after changes to add-ins or sign-in. If syncing fails, sign out/into both apps, confirm the Teams add-in is active, and verify the mailbox is Exchange Online. Those fixes resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.